In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple wireframe in Canva. A wireframe is a quick, low-fidelity blueprint of a page or screen. It helps you plan layout and structure before you worry about colors, images, or detailed styling. We'll keep everything simple and focused so you can move from idea to layout in minutes. Start by going to canva.com and opening a new design. To get a head start, use the Templates area. In the search bar there, type Wireframe or UI Wireframe. You'll see a range of pre-built layouts designed to speed up your process. Choose a template that's close to what you have in mind. Don't worry about perfection. You can adjust anything once it's on your canvas. Now, let's build the basic layout. Click Elements, then go to Lines and Shapes. Drag simple rectangles onto your page to block out your main sections. Create a header across the top, a content area in the middle, a sidebar if your design needs one, and a footer at the bottom. Resize and position these rectangles to match the structure you're aiming for. Remember, wireframes rely on simple boxes and lines to represent layout instead of real images or colors, so stay minimal and clear. Next, add placeholder content. Use gray rectangles to represent images or videos. For text, add thin lines or narrow rectangles to mimic headings and paragraphs. Duplicating these lines helps you keep spacing consistent, and aligning them creates a clean rhythm that's easy to scan. This step gives you a realistic sense of content density without writing any real copy. Add navigation or buttons by clicking Shapes again. Insert small rectangles or circles to stand in for menu items, tabs, or call-to-action buttons. Place them in the header, sidebar, or content area as needed, and label them so their purpose is obvious. Short labels like Home, About, or Button are enough to communicate intent. Keep the design simple. Stick to black, gray, and white. Avoid photos, gradients, and decorations. If any colors are present in your template, switch them to neutral shades. The goal is to highlight structure and hierarchy, not final visuals. Clear spacing, consistent sizing, and tidy alignment will make your wireframe easy to understand. When you're ready to share or save, click Share in the top corner, then click Download. Choose PDF, PNG, or JPG, depending on how you plan to use it. PDF is great for documents. PNG and JPG are ideal for quick sharing or presentations. And that's it. Your simple wireframe in Canva is ready.